Top of the morning, y'all. Check it out. So we got 3 pieces of bread, as you can see. One's already got some butter on it, or margarine, I guess. Is it margarine? It's margarine. All right. So, anyways, what I'm making here is corned beef and grilled cheese sandwiches. So starting off, we got our bread. I already started like putting some butter on one piece. The reason why I gotta put butter on the bread, obviously, because it's toast, and of course I got my nice hot cup of coffee. Love it. And what I got here is a spicy corned beef in a can. And I got processed cheese slices here. Got slice 1, slice 2. All right. See what I can do with this video. I meant to like do like a cool cinematic like buttering of the toast, but I guess I've gone too far. Maybe you'll hear music in the background. I don't know, because I've kind of got some music right there. What's this? Chris Brown? Yeah. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Maybe I'll put music over this, but we'll see. The schmear, you heard? Nom 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 nom. Got a corned beef here. Mmm. Yes, it's spicy. So that there is the oh, we're gonna turn the stove off. Yikes. Stove is off. So that right there is your corned beef and cheese. Well, corned beef and grilled cheese sandwich right there. What we gotta do though is we gotta cut this diagonally, so. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. You know it. So the chips of choice for today are going to be spicy mala flavored chips. What are these? Are these potato chips? Oh, they're cassava chips. Cassava chips. All right, so here you have it. This here's my version, right, of a double grilled cheese sandwich with corned beef, and I forgot which chips these were. Spicy mala, yeah, spicy mala cassava chips. Let's see what we got here. Okay. I mean, I was always like a potato chip person. That's just me. I like to go for the potato chips once they're there, like first. But more importantly, let's go for this grilled cheese. Let's go for this grilled cheese sandwich right here. All right. We got it cut nice and diagonally, as you can see. Take a bite. Mmm. Good. A little sip of this coffee. So I have to say, for like a homemade meal, I mean, it's really my go-to. It's easy to prepare, it's tasty. I like putting tons of butter on mine, or margarine, whatever I got. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you made it this far into the video, you know, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit the bell notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.